Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a mobile navigation menu using Tailwind CSS and Alpine.js. The structure of the mobile navigation is the same as the mini card file that we created in the previous videos. So instead of going through the HTML structure again, we will focus more on navigation logic with Alpine.js. So let's get started. So in the snippet folder, I have created a new file which is mobile menu.liquid. Currently this file is empty. So we are going to write our logic and HTML structure here. Okay, let's go to header.liquid and include this file here using render, and I'm going to write the name of the file. Now the next thing we are going to do is add a browser event. Okay, so let's go to our hamburger icon here. Let's write click, and using dispatch we are going to create a new browser event. So let's name this event to toggle nav. Okay, let's save it. So here the structure of our mobile navigation is same as our mini cart. So I have created a HTML for this. I'm gonna use that HTML. So this is same like here. We have created a state using xData directive, and our logic depends upon the state of like this open cart state. Same is the case with our mobile menu. Here we have created a state show menu using xData directive, and show and hide depends upon the state of this. Okay, so it's simple. I mean, if you understood the logic in the mini cart, so this will be easy for you. The only difference is the transitions. Okay, let's save it and check on the front end. I'm gonna refresh the page. Okay, just click on this. You can see our structure is working. Now let's focus on the mobile navigation items. Okay, let's head over to our code, and here delete this hello world, and let's write the structure. Okay, so let's start using let's create a div using px5, and here we are going to run a loop like we did here in the header. Let's copy this and paste that here, and use end for. Okay, let's save it. And in the header we checked if the link has submenus here using this condition. Let's copy this condition, paste here. Let's use else and if. So if this menu has a submenu, the logic goes here, otherwise our logic goes here. Okay, so let's create a tag, and we are going to get the URL using link.url, and we are going to get the title using link.title. title. Let's add some classes here. I'm gonna add flex and padding to 2, and going to add background bg gray, let's say 200, text black, and let's add some rounded corners with a rounded SM. Let's save it and check on the front end if everything is working. Refresh the page and check. Okay, so we have our items here. Okay, let's delete this here. Okay, so you can see we don't have any space here. Let's add margin bottom to 2. Okay, now we are going to write logic for our submenus. Create a div here, and in the div, let's create one more div, and this div will contain link.title. Let's add some classes. Let's add a flex and bg gray 200. Actually, we are going to use these same classes. Let's copy this and paste them here. Okay, so it's not an anchor tag. Let's add cursor pointer, and that's it. So let's see on the front end. Okay, so we have everything here. So this MB2 is not working. Let's add MB2 here. So we already have. Okay, so next we are going to add logic for our sub items here in this catalog. Okay, so here let's add a loop here for child in CHI. Okay, in this link dot links. So this is the same that we are using here. Okay, so let's have the structure. Let's create a div here. In this div, let's add an a tag that has the same classes except this pointer. Okay, Control Z, class, and have this class. Let's add here our title, child dot title. Okay, so that's it. And in here we are going to create one more div. So this div is for our grandchild, for grandchild in child dot links. Okay, let's add an a tag here with the same classes. Let's href to grandchild dot URL, and let's add a title here, grandchild dot title. Let's save it and check on the front end, and let's refresh the page. Okay, so everything we have here. So now let's add some Alpine.js logic to create our navigation. Okay, so let's start with this div. So here we are going to have a sub menu. Let's create a state using X data directive, and let's name this to is open false. Okay, so here on this div, when I click, I'm gonna make this is open equal to the opposite of is open. So if it is true, it becomes false, and if it is false, it becomes true. OPEN. Okay, so here in this div, so this div contains our sub menu, and let's add X show here, and we are going to display only if is open is true. Let's add some transitions using X transition directives. Okay, so here we are into the sub menu of this this menu. Okay, so let's add some code here. X data is equal to is sub menu open false. Let's wrap this in the curly braces, and here if I click on this, let's make this is sub menu open equal to opposite of is sub menu open. Okay, so we can add some transitions here also. Here, like here, add X show, and is it will be displayed only if X sub menu open is true. Let's save it and check on the front end if everything is working fine. Okay, so I think it's working. Yep, so now it's working. So the next thing we are going to do is, like, I cannot distinguish that this navigation item has submenu. So let's add an arrow here. So how do we do that? So here let's add render, and I have this icon drop down file in my snippet folder. You can see here icon drop down. You can get this icon from hero icons and paste that here. Let's save it and check. Let's go in the front end. Now you can see we have this icon here. Let's style this icon. Here we have added flex. Let's add justify between and items center. Let's save it. Go to the front end, and okay, now it's working fine. Okay, we have also need here, because this also has a sub menu. So we are going to go here. So we can like do there's one more technique that you can do. You can check if condition, if child dot links dot size is greater than 0. So you can include this file here conditionally. So you have two different logic for showing icons. Let's save it and refresh, and let's see. Okay, so we have icon here, we have icon here, and this is working. Let's design this also. Justify with the justify between and items center. Okay, let's save it, and so I think everything is good here now, and everything is working. Now I want here, I mean on the top there should be a margin. So I'm gonna go here and empty 10. Let's add this margin. And I think everything is good now, and our navigation is ready. So I believe this is the last video for this navigation, and we have covered everything that is needed to create a navigation in Shopify. So in the next video, I believe we are going to create our first section. So this is it for today's video, and if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more web development tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.